In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add custom fields in Zoho Desk. Custom fields are incredibly useful when you want to capture specific information that's unique to your business, helping your team stay organized and work more efficiently. Start by logging into your Zoho Desk account. Once you're on the dashboard, head to the top right corner and click on the setup icon, the small gear symbol that opens all configuration settings. Inside setup, look for the customization section and select layouts and fields. This is where you control how information is structured across Zoho Desk. From here, open the fields list. At the top of the page, you will see a module selector. Choose the module where you want to add the custom field, such as tickets, contacts, or accounts, depending on where this information is most useful. If your Zoho Desk has multiple departments, you may also see an option to select a department. Choosing the correct department ensures the custom field is visible only where it's needed. Now, click the option to create a new field. At this point, decide what type of information you want to collect. You can choose from text fields, date fields, drop-down lists, and more. Pick the field type that best fits how your team will use the data. Then configure the field details carefully. Once everything looks the way you want, save your changes. Your new custom field will now appear in the selected module and help your team capture more accurate and meaningful information. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom field in Zoho Desk, making your workflow more tailored and efficient. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more Zoho Desk tutorials.